Your $700 car payment isn't just a bill. It is a $1.2 million mistake. Most of you are playing a game of financial suicide. And you don't even know it because you're following the middle-class rulebook. But that rulebook was deleted in 2020. Today, we're performing a clinical autopsy on the most famous finance book in history, Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Because in 2026, the difference between an asset and a liability isn't just a definition, it is the difference between freedom and modern-day slavery. Welcome to episode 1 of The Wealth Library. This is the series where we stop the rants and start the research. We are distilling the greatest financial minds in history into reality checks designed to make you the smartest, and eventually the wealthiest person in the room. If you are tired of being a subscription poor or anti-inflation broke, hit that subscribe button right now. We're building a library of freedom here, and you don't want to miss the next shelf. Also, comment below right now with the word book and tell me which financial titan or toxic money habit you want me to autopsy next. Kiyosaki told a violent truth that most people still refuse to hear. He said, an asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. Simple, right? Then why is your driveway full of liabilities you call investments? In 2026, we've been brainwashed to think that a $60,000 truck is a reliable transportation. It's not. It is a high-speed drain on your net worth. We think our dream home with a 7% mortgage and rising property taxes is an asset. It's not. Unless that house is sending you a check every month, it is the bank's asset and your biggest liability. You aren't owning a home, you are leasing a lifestyle you haven't earned yet. Here is the math your high school teacher didn't show you. If you take that $700 car note and put it into a boring S&P 500 index fund, in 30 years you have over $1 million. You chose to look rich at a red light today, instead of being a millionaire tomorrow. That is the middle-class trap. We work 40 hours a week to buy things we don't need, to impress people we don't like, with money we don't have. We are highly paid couriers for our landlord's mortgage and the car dealership's profit margin. We are running on a treadmill that is powered by our own debt. Look, I'm not a financial advisor. Advisors are paid to keep you invested in the system. I'm just a guy who stopped buying liabilities and started buying time. Wealth isn't about the balance in your bank account. It's about how many days you can survive if you stopped working today. If you have a fancy car and a big house but you're one paycheck away from a panic attack, you aren't rich. You are just a high-end slave. The Rich Dad way is about building a cash flow fortress. It's about buying assets that pay for your luxuries. If you want the Rolex, fine. But make your rental property pay for it. Don't trade your lifeblood for a status symbol. The 2026 economy is designed to keep you distracted and in debt. Break the cycle. Stop being a consumer and start being a collector of assets. This was episode 1 of The Wealth Library. For episode 2, we're diving into the psychology of money to find out why your brain is literally wired to keep you broke. Before you go, look at your bank statement. Find one liability you can kill today to buy an asset tomorrow. Tell me what it is in the comments. Let's start the autopsy on your own life. I'll see you in the next chapter.